Malwarebytes in 2026 from cleanup tool to AR guardian. So hey guys, the 2006 roots, the scrappy cleanup tool, born from frustration, founded by 14 years old Markin Kelzeski after his family PC was infected. A teenager's solution to a problem and industries ignored, built to clean, not to prevent. A legacy reputation for nearly 2 decades, malware was the go-to second opinion scanner, the tool you run when something already felt wrong. So, 2026 reality. Why free is no longer enough? The critical flaw in free malware free remains an on-demand malware, a manual-only cleanup utility. By the time you run a scan, the malware is already executed. No real-time shield protection, and it as a ransom can encrypt files before you even notice, and zero-day exploits and credential theft happen silently in the background. So the modern engine, Katana and Malware.ai, premium shift from the reactive clean up to the real-time AI-powered defense. Two completely separate systems working in concert. Malware AI, machine learned that detects zero-day threats. Katana engine combines rule-based techniques with behavior analysis to stop threats at every stage of any attack chain. Real-time converge together, they provide continuous always-on protection. The verdict is the Pro download worth it? 85 MB ideal footprint, the lightweight enough to run silently in the background, 99.4% ransom block rate, among the highest in independent lab tests. Upgrade opinion for real-time, always-on threat prevention, AI-powered zero-day ransom defense, a lightweight, set it and forget it, primary security suite. Bottom line, free is a bandage. Premium is the only 2026 grade prevention build. So there you guys, use only the free for emergency on-demand scans, secondary opinion, OC16 files, or clean up after a known infection. So there you guys, I hope you guys like the video. If you enjoyed, if you have any question, type it down in the comment section below guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible, and thank you guys.